I'm going to show you how to iron a shirt perfectly. The first thing to do is turn the shirt inside out. The reason for this is from the inside of the shirt you can actually get into every corner of the flat fabric. Be very careful to smooth the shirt out and make sure it's lying absolutely flat on the ironing board. This way you can press right into the corners and particularly the armholes. If the fabric has dried off a little bit, just spray it with a little water. Flip over to the front and the same thing again. Smooth very carefully and iron right into all of the corners, again particularly the armholes. When you're ironing the back of the placket, make sure that you actually use a very firm iron. The sleeves are made from a flat piece of material, so lay it out flat again, but only press to within about 2 centimeters of the leading edge of the shirt. I'll show you why in a moment. Next, the collar. Firmly press top of the collar, turn it over, and with plenty of pressure, press the back of the collar. Now turn the shirt back to the right side. Time now for the finishing touches. No need to iron the back again, but just give the front a little final press, particularly down the front placket and the top of the placket. Now press the button side of the front and be careful to press in between each of the buttons. Press the sleeves with the crease down the outside if that's what you favour. Press the cuffs flat. Same again with the other sleeve. If it's a folded cuff, fold the cuff into the precise position so that the buttonholes for cufflinks line up. When you've lined up the buttonholes, press the cuff flat. The final touch is on the collar. Press along about 4 centimeters along each side of the collar so that whether you're wearing it with a tie or open neck, the collar stays in a down position. Precision being the order of the day.